welcome to our cabin at Aurora Fjord Cabins. This is cabin number 2. We're in the entranceway. It is snowing outside, so we're not going to start from the door. But it's a small little cabin that goes straight into the living area with those nice big panoramic windows, a little coffee table area, and the couch for the view. Going around to the kitchen, you have an oven, a microwave, a little stove top, a sink, there's a dishwasher that looks like the cabinets, and there is a fridge as well. And these are those panoramic view windows, so I'll come back to this and turn off the lights so we can see outside. It's already going dark. We're only at 3:37 right now, but you can see there's the snow, and that's cabin number 1 next to us. So this is that entranceway. There is an AC unit that you can temperature control the cabin. And then this first door on our left is the bathroom. Definitely nothing fancy. Shower with a curtain. Got your toilet, your basin, little mirror. And then the controls. I believe the floors are heated as well. And then we come across to the bedroom. You got the view out the side. That just shows up to the cabin next to it, so there's nothing spectacular there. The bed, these are 2 single beds. Again, the same style like we've seen in other places here in Norway, where each bed has its own comforter. And your little nightstands on each side. And then this is what I was talking about with the view out of the bedroom is pretty much just over to the next cabin. And you can see a little bit on the outside over there. And we'll just come across. Hopefully this will come out, but let me turn off some lights and see if we can see that view. Alright, one more light to go. So this is out over the fjord. It's really misty and snowy right now, so there's not that much to see, but these are really nice big panoramic windows. That's the cabin next to us. And then same on this side, that's the cabin next to us. And you can see there's been a good amount of snow just looking at that railing alone. But this is our view. Hopefully this is going to clean up and we'll get a view of the Aurora tonight. But that is our cabin, cabin number 2 at Aurora Fjord Cabins. Now that it's daylight, you can see what the view looks like out of our cabin. So there's the first cabin next to us, and then we have this fjord right out the front with these big windows and the view that goes all the way around. You can see there's been a fair amount of snow. And there's that water. The water is super clear. But that is the view out of our cabin here at Aurora Fjord Cabins.